Good Sunday morning, viewers, subscribers, and anybody else tuning in. Just got back from my morning cardio session with some fantastic news for this channel. We have officially hit 300 subscribers on this channel, and I would like to take a minute to thank each and every one of you that has subscribed to this channel. Kimberly would like to be here, but she's a little tired this morning and had to sleep in on one of the rare days that she does get to sleep in. With the 300 subscribers, we are now able to take our channel and grow it even further. So now we are going to be syncing our channel to Odyssey and BitChute as well, where we can be monetized with cryptocurrency as well. We also hit 30,000 views just the other day on this channel in the past year. And we want to also thank each and one of you that supports this channel, either positively, negatively, because we do see those dislike buttons, but you know, regardless, it's engagement. We also like to thank you for engaging with us in the comments on all our videos, either again positively or negatively. Everybody has an opinion and is entitled to their own opinion, and we accept all of it. And unfortunately, we cannot satisfy everyone with our viewpoints or try and convince anyone else. And that's just how life goes. But regardless, if you're watching this channel and supporting it, we want to thank you and feel very blessed to have you a part of this channel. On that note, we want to offer you quality content, and we're going to be also growing our brand a little bit bigger with a website and a product line coming within the next 6 months to a year, depending on how busy we are. And so with us wanting to offer, treat this more as a business now, leave us a comment in the comments section below and let us know what kind of content you would like to see on this channel. Would you like to see more prepping? How to prep, the political side of things when I'm doing my Misinformation Mondays. I feel that many viewers enjoy those videos, and I'll be doing more of those. Or do you prefer to see more of the homesteading side of how we do things with our animals, with our gardens, things of that nature, especially with the food prices going up? Many people in the cities are not in tune with what needs to be done to provide for yourself and the different methods and techniques of doing so. So again, please let us know in the description box or in the comment box below, or send us an email directly, because you all have our emails in the description box below. So I'd like to finish this video off by saying thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a blessed day.